Hey, Sean from Motley and Myrtle here. Amber is here too behind the camera. She's still got her broken foot. It makes it hard for her to participate in all the builds. But we're going to be doing hopefully a quick and easy bath caddy today made of some walnut. And we're going to start with some measuring. Here we go. So we are measuring out where the legs are going to go. And we measured the tub and how far across the tub was. And so then we're giving it a little extra space, so there's some wiggle room. So we have, we're going to put our legs at 2 3/4 by 32 3/4. Alright, so now we are going to measure out our legs, how tall we want them to be. So we're going to about 2 inch would give us about 1/8 of clearance over to the lip of the tub. So we're going to go 2 inch, and then we'll go cut that, and we'll cut the next one.
Do you want to tell the camera what we figured out after you cut the legs?
Yeah, I almost pulled it off too.
So you didn't have to flip the board.
I even looked at it and it didn't look like it was a sliding one, so I was like, all right, that's nice. No, I didn't have to flip the board. So we double checked our measurement and it was off. So now we're just gonna move it out a few more inches. We just transposed some numbers. So now we're going to measure up for putting the legs on. So we're going to use a square to give us a straight line to line up our feet against.
Another round of testing.
Alright, so we did not like the way the legs looked with sticking over the edge a little bit. So we're going to cut them back. It'll add some depth and hopefully make it look better. So we're going to go do that now. Can't see very well in these glasses. Voila. Time to sand. See, oh, we should plug in our sander.
What's going on?
Our sander is going to work best if we plug it in. Alright, so this part's optional, but we're going to try and give it a faux live edge using the angle grinder. So next we're going to clamp it and use the angle grinder to sand it down. I think I'm going to try and start sort of can't think of the word.
Yeah.
Can't think of the right word, but I'm going to try and start light on it. Like
yeah.
Small, subtle,
Yep.
subtle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
So we have our legs cut to size. We have measured where they're gonna go. So since it's gonna be a bath caddy, we'll wanna make sure we have glue that's gonna work being around water. So we have some Type Bond 3 we're gonna put on there, clamp them down, leave them for a while, let them dry. Here we go. Way too much. That was stupid.
Yeah, why'd you do that?
I don't know.
We were gonna glue one at a time.
Not anymore.
Go.
All right. We finished our glue up last night. We let it sit overnight, so we're ready to take the clamps off. We're gonna do some finish sanding over the whole thing, and specifically there's a little bit of paint over here from the lumberyard, so we're gonna clean that up and then go over it with probably a 150 grit or so. So here we go. Okay, so we are going to finish this with a total boat varnish. We'll put the details below, and we're gonna get started. Go to my palette. I don't know what accent that was.
I don't either.
So we're done. We finished it up. We put the last coat of the Total Boat finish on there. We really like how it looks. Looks really nice. Check out the description below for details on it. If you like the build, leave us a like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. We're here at my parents', so we have a few more videos coming up that are basic tools, easy, quick, and stay tuned and check them out.
Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Nailed it.
Got it.
We're done. That's a wrap.